Fire the hose! I did it again. I didn't plug the gas tank in. I remember last time?
Yep. I almost said it.
Right,
stop that and record now.
Yeah, we're gonna re-record that.
now.
Oh, leave it in. That's funny as fuck.
Silly.
Fucking sweet.
What else they got? Tune it or something?
That is one sweet sounding bug.
We did everything right.
No leaks.
It runs.
No leaks. Nothing sticking out the side nowhere, so I guess we're good.
No holes in the roof. Any windows anywhere? Any flashlight, Dad?
Oh, yeah.
Think
A little smoke, but that's all nothing, right? Just something burning.
Oh no, no windows, no leaks.
Nice.
You have.
Makes me very happy.
Me too. Thank you so much.
You buddy.
I took those fucking breathers off like 10, 15 times this morning. I took them off, I put them on, put the rocket box on. I'm like, can I tighten them? I took them back off, put them back on again. Took them off. I'm like, I know I tightened them. These have been off before.
I should probably eat breakfast.
I was like, maybe I should just check it again. And then I Loctited it. I'm like, everything's Loctited. I'm not opening it again. It's fucking Loctited. If I open it, I'm a fucking asshole. That probably sound a little better with mufflers.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it'll sound a
Fresh air
little
would be
better.
nice.
It'll sound even, all right.